So we just made our way to Hershey Park area, and we'll be looking at the Hershey story today. Hershey Park is closed today. It's open tomorrow, but we're staying today. So Hershey story, where we learn about Milton Hershey and everything that he did around here in this area. But if you want to see more, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. All right, so we're going to be learning about the life of Hershey today here at the museum. But so far, we found out how to get in here. Well, it's $15 to get into the museum. If you want to do a lab tasting, that's also another $15. And you can kind of like have your personal experience. Now, unfortunately for us, we came here like around 12-ish, and that experience has been sold out, unfortunately. So we're not going to be able to do that, but we are going to be able to check out the museum, which is up here. And also there's an exhibit over here where it's called Hershey's Cuba. So we're gonna go check that out and see what that's about. So let's go. That was very impressive. Just seeing how everything fit out in Cuba. I don't want to give too much info, so that way you guys can come check it out yourself. But it's really, really cool. Now we're going up to the museum. So interesting to know that the Hershey's Kisses, they were wrapped by hand at first, and then they made this machine to wrap them by machine, because the workers were paid by basically by the pound of kisses that they would wrap. So pretty interesting stuff.
Kids of their own, so they looked out for everybody else's, supporting public schools at every level, from elementary.
Now we have gone to Hershey's mansion. Here it is. See how nice this is. Absolutely gorgeous. Imagine having all this land. It's so beautiful. I won't be surprised if they do weddings here.
Oh, yeah, for real.
Oh. All right, and our last stop here in Lancaster with the Sight and Sound Theaters. We're not watching the show today, but it came specifically for these. The glazed almonds that they make there. They're absolutely amazing. They're always warm when you buy them. So we bought like 4 bags of them, bringing some back to the fams that they love them too. And I recommend, if you want to go see a show, amazing, better than Broadway, Sight and Sound Theaters, you definitely got to check it out. They're giving David. Next year they'll give Moses, and they're going to do the Miracle of Christmas, which is the story of Jesus Christ, of course. Recommend it 100%. I already watched the show this year, so since I was in the area, I was like, I have to stop and get those almonds. But it's awesome, awesome, awesome. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, if you haven't, like right now this video, comment down below and tell me what was your favorite part of this video. Take care.